Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that will help you achieve that radiant, youthful glow we all desire. We're talking about the 8 best drinks to boost collagen naturally. Collagen is the protein responsible for maintaining the elasticity and firmness of our skin, and as we age, its production tends to decline. But fret not, because we have some amazing beverages lined up that can give your collagen levels a much-needed boost. So let's jump right in. First up on our list are green smoothies, the ultimate collagen-boosting elixirs. These nutrient-packed concoctions are bursting with leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are rich in vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins are essential for collagen synthesis and promote overall skin health. To take it up a notch, add fruits like berries, which are high in antioxidants, and tropical delights like mango or pineapple for an extra dose of vitamin C and a burst of flavor. Next, we have fruit-infused waters. Not only are they refreshing and hydrating, but they also provide a powerful punch of collagen-supporting vitamins and antioxidants. Slice up citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, which are loaded with vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for collagen synthesis. You can also experiment with other fruits like berries, cucumber, or even herbs like mint for a touch of natural sweetness and added skin-loving goodness. Now let's cozy up with some herbal teas, which not only warm our souls but also work wonders for our skin. Chamomile, rooibos, and green tea are fantastic options to incorporate into your daily routine. These teas are packed with antioxidants that combat harmful free radicals, supporting collagen production and maintaining skin elasticity. So brew yourself a cup of these soothing beverages and sip your way to plump, youthful skin. Another powerful drink to boost collagen is homemade bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals that provide the necessary building blocks for collagen synthesis. Simmering bones, whether it's from chicken, beef, or fish, extracts valuable nutrients that nourish your skin from within. Enjoy a comforting cup of bone broth on its own, or incorporate it into your favorite soups, stews, or sauces for a collagen-boosting twist. Let's not forget the incredible benefits of nuts and seeds when it comes to collagen support. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are among the best choices, as they are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help maintain the skin's moisture barrier and promote collagen production. Snack on a handful of these crunchy delights, or sprinkle them over your smoothies, salads, or yogurt for a collagen-boosting treat. Next on our list is the vibrant and nutrient-rich beetroot juice. This gorgeous drink is not only visually appealing but also brimming with antioxidants and vitamins that support collagen production. Beetroot juice is particularly rich in iron, which enhances blood flow and oxygenation, leading to healthier, more radiant skin. So incorporate beetroot juice into your daily routine for a natural collagen boost and a beautiful complexion. Say hello to pomegranate juice, another stellar drink for collagen enhancement. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that protect collagen from damage and stimulate its production. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice can improve skin texture, reduce fine lines, and promote a youthful glow. So pour yourself a glass of this ruby red elixir and let its collagen-boosting powers work their magic. Let's quench our thirst and nourish our skin with the natural wonder of coconut water. Not only is coconut water incredibly hydrating, but it also contains cytokines, which are known to promote collagen production and improve skin elasticity. With its rich electrolyte content and abundance of minerals, coconut water helps maintain healthy, plump skin. So grab a refreshing glass of coconut water and let your skin drink in its collagen-boosting benefits. Remember, while these drinks can certainly enhance collagen production, it's important to maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle overall. Adequate hydration, a nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise, and proper skin care are all key factors in achieving and maintaining healthy, youthful skin. And there you have it, my friends, the 8 best drinks to boost collagen naturally. Cheers to radiant, glowing skin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content, and share your favorite collagen-boosting drink recipes or experiences in the comments below. Let's drink our way to beautiful, youthful skin together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.